Hello, hello. Am I muted? No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
That's my entry to every show, just saying something stupid like that or having tech issues. But here we are today, 15 minutes late, fashionably late. Rekt Radio 103. The guest of the show is no one, but we are here.
No, I think Wiz is going to come through. I think Wiz is going to come
Wiz
through.
is coming through. There you go. Informal Wiz guest, maybe. Yeah, we're here though. Lots happened since I don't know how long it's been. 3 weeks.
Has it been 3 weeks?
Mando and I, maybe. Mando and I launched a crypto casino. OSF had some new drink flavors come out. Has that been released yet or no?
Very soon. We're just trying to get it over the line.
Never mind that.
Very soon.
My bad. I just broke the NDA of the box.
Oh, thanks, man. Never sending you drinks again.
Yeah, right. Chance, how are we?
Great.
Great. Yeah, good.
We've been saying
Busy.
we were going to have a sponsor for this stream for a year. Was it when we first said, "Oh yeah, we're going to get a new sponsor," and now it's here. We
did have Didix for a bit.
God, yeah,
for like a week or two. Yeah. Crushed some leverage trades on
we actually traded pretty well for a bit.
Then they sent us packing. Now we have Yeet though, so that's great. It's been in development for quite a while. We thought we were sponsoring it last year. Yeah, that's funny. But anyway, trading front has been pretty quiet. I know I got some flack for going long. Can't win out there. But that was a bad trade.
Are you still long?
No, I'm not. I cut it a bit ago, but I took the loss. I mean, yes, there's losing trades. I don't know. I'm having a pretty damn good month, I'd say, but it wouldn't appear so from the tweets. But it is.
Yeah, you're the happiest I've seen you in a bit, which normally means that you're normally having a good time.
Yeah, don't let your mood get too attached to your trading. But I mean, it's easy to be happy when you have one of your best months in years. But
I don't know what you're paying for with Elliott Rowe, but it is on your face every single fucking morning. Bro,
I skip Elliott Rowe. I like to make Elliott Rowe appointments and then skip them the day of and do that rolling for months. I like to keep him on his toes a bit. He messaged me yesterday, actually. Yeah, maybe I should get him back. I don't think I've done one in a while. So
you owe me thousands of dollars.
Yeah. Keep your mental straight. Well, the thing is, it's by show, so it's okay. Or by
look at that. That is a bullish chart there for Bitcoin. Thank you.
Wow. Maybe I shouldn't have got out. Wow, classic. Anyway, what have you guys been doing?
Well, you know what I've been doing. OSF, what have you been up to?
Just a lot of wrecked stuff, really. I haven't had that much time to. I think you guys will probably appreciate this, but I haven't had that much time to trade much or even go on Twitter that much, just because we've been doing quite a lot. And there's a bit frustrating, and you guys will also appreciate this. There's a bit frustrating where you can't say what you're not wanting to necessarily say all the stuff that you're doing because you can't see do all this stuff in the background and no one is there to appreciate it. So then you just sort of cry yourself to sleep.
Battery life's interesting, right? I mean, I've never done it before. It's a fuck ton of work if you want to do it right. That's for sure. But I don't know. It is nice though having something not paying attention to the market 24/7, especially in this market when it's kind of dead. I mean, it was really good last week. Let's put it that way. When the volatility was high, at least for my style. But
it is fun. It's nice to actually work on something different other than just staring at a screen, clicking numbers. And I feel like I'm working on really exciting stuff now. So it's fun. But you just have that feeling where it's we're just so close to launching stuff and you're not quite there yet. And things keep getting delayed again. Yeah. The edging, that's what I'm talking about. Edging.
Yeah, it's you just want to fucking launch. I mean, it's even now, in the casino over the hurdle, there's still so many feature sets and sportsbook and scalability things. It's you just constantly, myself and Mando not being engineers ourselves makes it even worse because we just want to be in there doing it and making it happen. But hey, it's still fun. It's awesome. Yeah, love it.
Edging in any context is very exciting, but very frustrating.
Yeah, that's basically what it is. I think I speak to KBM about 5 to 6 hours solidly every single day. Probably even longer actually. I was on a call, what was it, yesterday, and I said, we've been working 15-hour days, and KBM was like 15 hours. It's been
like
20.
So short.
No,
like 17, 18, but yeah,
it's been a lot. But it's all starting to come together. We actually just hit, as we're going live, $28 million of volume. Since
it's
not nothing, is it?
It's not nothing, but it's really,
less than a week.
Less than a week.
There's a lot more to do. Sportsbook, new games, ton of new features. It's going to be a lot. We're going to play some of those games later, though.
We sure are.
Get to show them off to the audience. By the way, we're going to give out $5,000 of prizes. Everyone who's watching. If you want to win any of those prizes, I don't know how many runs we'll probably do. We'll probably bring up like 2 or 3 people, or maybe 4, or 5. You need to have signed up for Yeet under our RefLink code for the show, which is Rekt Radio. So create an account, put Rekt Radio as your affiliate code. You can do it in all caps. Check, is that pinned actually for us? Maybe we should just pin it right now so people can immediately go to that on the Rekt Radio page. There we go. And yeah, take it from that. You'll have to give out some personal details, but yeah, we are going to give out, and I think we're going to do that pretty much every week. So the last 20 minutes of the show is going to be us having some fun. I think Wiz is going to come through as well. So there's a bunch of different like competing affiliate codes at the moment. I've got one for FoamWire, one for this, Wiz. I've got one for Mando Minutes, but this one's going to be a big one per show for sure. Right. So markets, should we talk about that just a little bit here? Because it feels as though people want to have probably a view on what we think is going to happen here. Maybe I'll summarize it over the last 3 weeks. Bitcoin dominance 64% now, and looking like it's going even higher. Equities kind of shat the bed, then bounced, then continued to not trade that well. Gold looks like it's going to infinity right now. Bond yields don't look great either. Like bonds, golds, bonds, stocks, commodities all look crap. Even real estate looks a little bit precarious. It's really just gold.
Yeah,
good.
Typing up some charts now. Wow, gold is really going parabolic.
Yeah,
up 3% today after that run.
Jeez,
beautiful. I think I bought some back in the day. I don't know where it is, but I don't have much exposure there. Do you guys?
I have some gold.
Yeah. A little diversification never hurt anyone out of Fartcoin and whatever else we're basically in.
Not a good sign for the market the way that gold's trading, though, don't you think?
No, it's not.
It doesn't feel like a bullish sign.
But it's been like that for almost 2 years now, right? Like it's just been up only for about 2 years.
Now it's like capitulating higher, right? I don't know. So
it was going higher, but not like this. There's gold doing this is kind of wild. 3% in a day for gold is that's like a 10 to 15% candle, I think, for Bitcoin, right?
Well, the pressure points to tariffs, right? I mean, he seems to be fighting with China, and they're fighting back. And then Europe yesterday said that they don't see the talks progressing at all. So just a lot of what is it called, uncertainty, where businesses can't project their future cash flows and earnings, right? I mean, like I've heard of a lot of anecdotal businesses and stuff like that from friends that they don't know where they're going to get supplies from for their materials from with the China stuff. So a lot of people are upended, it seems like.
Yeah, I kind of think that's the case. And I also think people are a little bit worried even about the dollar, right? Like the fact that bond yields are going higher and the dollar was going lower at the same time. And you had stocks going lower. It just feels... I feel like the only bullish sentiment I ever hear is how bearish everyone is. It's like...
which isn't a real thing, right?
It's the most bearish sentiment it's been since 2008. Like, I don't know if that makes you want to buy it. You know, I think some people are like, oh, okay, that's such a buying opportunity. I get that's a good buy for like the day that it reverses, but then the day after the day that it reverses, you just get absolutely smoked.
Feels like that's a good indicator in a bull market, but the trend has kind of shifted on all these asset classes. just even on like a chart level, the trends are changed. So to turn a behemoth of a ship around like the S&P or the NASDAQ is like not going to happen in a day once that trend changes. So
what do you think of barbell crypto, Bitcoin, Filecoin? Nothing else.
Probably the best strat there is.
For the next, it doesn't really feel like much for barbell. They're like the only two things that seem bid. Like they're not really like a hedge.
Nothing else.
Hyperliquid's doing well again.
Oh, is it? I don't know. I haven't typed it up in forever, but like
I know that's painful, but it's back to 16. After we told you to get your money off Hyperliquid on this show, well, many weeks ago, it wasn't at the bottom, but it rolled back over.
It looks like, yeah.
I mean, Hyperliquid is one of the best inventions I've ever seen in my life to date. So it's unsurprising to me.
Yeet's the Hyperliquid of casinos. I heard that. I don't know.
I've heard rumors of that. Yeah, Yeet is the Hyperliquid of casinos.
Yeah.
Airdrop one incoming.
Yeah. Oh man. But I don't know. Is anything else investable in crypto? Like it's hard to tell. Not really. I think you can put your money elsewhere and do better off in general. Like as like where? Maybe like the stock market. I would choose.
I bought stocks. Like, for the first time in 3 years, right? Like a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, I think stocks are pretty cheap here actually. Like if you're going to put on big size, all this shit's down like 50%. Like
exactly, like size. Like you should start DCAing now in stocks. Like what the fuck?
I did. I didn't really DCA. I just fucking lumped it all in one go.
One shot at it. I mean, that's fine too. I mean. I favor stocks over crypto in general in this spot, but
U.S. stocks though, or do you think it's going to
be U.S. stocks for sure? I mean, you could distill it down into simple dumb shit as like stuff you use. That's like a company you use every day. It's pulled back massively. You don't do much more research than that. You can buy it, like you know.
I quite like defensive stocks then in that world. Defensive U.S. stocks if they've like moved lower, maybe they're good buys. I don't know. I kind of feel like I like rest of world here. That's breaking out against the US for the first time, like ever, right? In like 30 years.
I feel like that's like buying ETH. It's a bit of a sucker's trade, isn't it? Like,
that's a very bearish sign. That's what it is. It's like you're about to see like a fucking wipeout when that happens.
Right. Like everything's about to get.
So when people try to pitch you on buying the FTSE, it's just like, ooh, like if there's some sort of FTSE index, it's like, ooh.
Yeah, that's why I favor like a DCA maybe. I mean, like even mega caps are down quite a lot. I mean, they were definitely pulling forward a lot of gains from the Trump election, but I don't know. I think you could start buying here, but I would be a little patient. I don't think it's a rush to buy at this point. Seems like it's going to be a while of the Trump, fighting between countries.
Yeah, that's not getting resolved anytime soon. I think a lot of people are doing this exact exercise. Like they think bond yields can go higher because well, at least in the US,
recently, right? They're kind of just stuck in that same spot.
But I think what the US thinks, I mean, maybe it's not, they can't go that much higher, but they don't think the Fed's going to act for a little bit of time here. Like because of the like inflation pressure, like it can take a little bit of time. Stocks, like you just said, there's just a lot of uncertainty. Commodities, people are scared about like a recession essentially. So you get caught up in like really weird assets at this time that are the only things rallying. Like,
yeah, that's usually bad.
Yeah, it's not normally that's a good time. Like
the gold and I don't know, emerge outside U.S. markets. That's usually probably not good. But let's see. Maybe Trump engineered us right into the precipice of a depression of some kind. You know, that's possible.
Did you hear about any big blowups in TradFi, KBM? A lot of people were talking about that for hedge funds, right?
No, I mean, like when the NASDAQ was, or the Qs were down at like $400. I think we all heard that anecdotal evidence again, like on CNBC. Funds are blowing up, but there really wasn't like anything that I saw. And then the order books weren't really that like capitulatory in general. It wasn't like a forced sell. Maybe it was forced selling, but it wasn't like, how do I say it? Like inefficient selling. It wasn't really that like crazy. It was kind of controlled. Obviously they oversold it into that spot, but I didn't hear anything. I don't know. Probably just localized people getting smoked. I think it was like something like if you were over 5x leverage or 4x leverage, you were like margin called in that area. I mean, obviously it depends where you're long from, but
Yeah.
most people.
Yeah, I don't know. It just felt like the way the market was trading for those few days. It just felt like somebody big must have blown up on something. Like it was
for sure.
You just know when the market moves like that, it's like fuck, liquidity's gone a little bit here, and that just means
liquidity was definitely pulled. I love those spots are like outsized, opportunities. So when the VIX gets up 50 plus like that, you're in for a fun spot if you have capital and have survived that long. You can make a lot of money.
Just think there was a lot of gross risk out there. Like it may not even be like net directional risk, but just a lot of gross risk. People doing shit with treasuries, even gross risk within crypto as well, like perps versus spot stuff. And you have all these crazy wicks on Binance. Like there's a lot of like position collapsing, like gross position collapsing, I think, where people are just getting tapped out or maybe even targeted. I think there's 100%. A lot of that shit going. Well, we don't have all the color really in our seats, but
exactly. And the books are so illiquid on all fronts, especially crypto books are like crazy. It's like terrible. So I don't know. It's dry times out there. It feels like it's a bit scary. I think you wouldn't want to overtrade in this market. That's for sure. You really got to pick your spots.
In crypto, the only real stuff that's done all right has been a few memes actually have bounced back okay. So you've had Fartcoin, you've had SBX, and then like a few DeFi things. Oh, we've got to talk about this mantra thing. Did you see that?
Yeah, what the hell?
I didn't really have much context or color into that because I haven't been paying much attention. But what happened? It's like a full rug pull.
Yeah, it seems like a strange one. Mantra is like this RWA chain. They said like, we're going to be the chain that does RWAs, and all year it had the best chart. Like it looked like this, right? Like, and you had a bunch of influencers being like, "Oh, you didn't call Mantra. You got to get on the RWA train." All this sort of shit, and like nothing's going on.
Like what RWAs? Everything? Like,
I think it was like they had one deal with like a real estate firm in Dubai.
Oh,
classic.
Yeah.
Classic real estate. All right. Anyway, keep going.
And on Sunday night, it seems as though there was a massive liquidation. Well, there was a massive sale, which then caused a massive liquidation on OKX, just on one exchange. And the founders come out and been like, look, this isn't us. He said they'd done some OTC sales of their treasury, but they've been like $25 million, and most of that had been locked, so that wasn't it. And then they said that they'd done some deals with market makers as well. I think it's unclear how much they gave to some of these market makers, but it seems as though the market makers may have been the likely culprit here. The market makers may have sold some of their holdings to third parties, and because this had done a 5 to 6x, some random person ended up with a massive amount, and just destroyed the chart. And apparently, the timing is the day before the market making loan was meant to settle with one of these market makers. So they, as in so they think it was something to do with that, that they wanted to get it at a cheaper price or something like this. But it's down 90%. The fact that they sold that much
bounced at all,
brother. Nothing was going on there anyway. It had a stairway to heaven sort of move up.
Yeah, I mean, I get that, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess it was just a full scam. But usually those, a liquidation or inefficient selling like that would have some kind of conversion. This thing just flatlined.
Yeah, this thing did just
scam. Interesting.
I think there's a lot of these though, man. I think AI got destroyed obviously the last few months because most of it was on Solana. But there's a lot of these RWA as a narrative. It's kind of like gaming. There's a lot of random coins there with multi-billion-dollar FTVs, and you're just what is this?
Yeah, you got the scamming narrative going.
It's just supply control. It's just supply control, and then it's just a very, very slow rug. And this one just rugged, I think, quicker. But
yeah, expedited the rug. Classic. Well, another one bites the dust.
Yeah.
Are there VCs invested in that? I think I read in some post or what was
Oh
that?
yeah, it's a big. I think a lot of VCs were like it was their best.
Oh, it was the best one like this year, probably.
Yeah, best one this year. I think that's also why like it may have caused this like mega dump.
Right.
Because they all just like went to sell it. A few of them have been like, oh, you know, we didn't sell, but like I don't know if I trust the founder. Like I think he says, oh, the OTC sales were only on the team wallet, but let's be honest, like
does he live in Dubai?
The founder clearly had some side bags here.
Yeah.
It may not have been the market maker. It may have been just insiders who like sold it, and then they may have sold it back in like November, and that person then ran it up, basically, maybe alongside a market maker, and did a 10x on it. Maybe they sold, you know, like another 20, 30 million, and then some random person suddenly has 200 million of this coin and needs to get out, and it's it goes nasty.
Good times.
Yeah, I think that's basically happened. But they haven't been able to catch a lot of things. There's been some movement in NFTs have come back a little bit. There's been some movement in ordinals, but still feels like everything's underperforming Bitcoin to a large extent here. Like
it's
punks
crazy
haven't
how well
really
Bitcoin's performed, really. I mean, surprised me at least how well it's held up amongst everything.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's really well compared to the stocks, like during that down move. It really only went down on the capitulatory day in the S&P, right? Like it was like the last straw. Yeah, exactly. Bitcoin followed it finally, and then it, you know, everything debounced. But
who's buying it? Like where's the bid?
Like just Michael Saylor and GameStop just controlling supply.
I guess so. I guess so.
And fucking some other shit tier companies who have trying to replicate the MicroStrategy playbook, like Mara and whatnot. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how it just stays up. I guess it maybe like digital gold, but like a really, really shitty version of it. Maybe that's why it's holding up.
We own shit digital gold, guys.
Yeah, like should just really own real gold. Apparently, I'm confused though. Maybe it's just like, yeah, I don't know.
You can buy like these gold-backed stable coins, I think, or gold-backed funds now in crypto. You could.
That just sounds like an RWA type scam, but maybe not.
That sounds like an OM special right there.
Yeah, sounds interesting. That sounds like it could pump though. If we spin it, gold's gonna keep going, and you got these gold coins.
There was that time where everyone was like, "I need to own uranium." Do you remember that? Like,
yeah, I remember that.
It became macho to say you wanted to own uranium, and then uranium, I think, dropped like 50% over the next year.
Oh yeah, that was another scam narrative that the people in the comment sections loved. Uranium.
Got to own uranium. I've seen a few more shrimp farming posts. Have you seen those as well? People getting back into
shrimp. I thought it was a joke, but I mean, like, there's nothing wrong with farming, and I support farmers. So I mean, if we're bringing back shrimp farming, I know one of my buddies started a bug farm last bear, because
what does that mean?
Ahead of the everyone will have to eat the bugs type thing. You know what I mean?
Oh, like proper Vitalik stuff.
Yeah. I mean, like, you're gonna eat the bugs to be happy and have nothing. I mean, like, maybe that's coming full circle with the AI boom.
With the AI boom. What happened with him? Still in the market?
Oh, then the bull market happened, and he started trading meme coins again, and he gave up the bugs. So I don't know if he still has that going on, but he made money in meme coins instead.
How do you close down a bug farm? I don't think that's a fun day, is it?
You just release them, man. It's not that hard. You just open the doors. They're just bugs.
Can you imagine?
Fucking
telling your significant other that we're gonna bug farm during the bear. It's the only thing.
That's actually solid. I mean, I'd be like, wow, that's a great idea. You have some initiative. This seems like a pretty sticky market in a bear, so I support it.
Yeah,
that's what I would say.
Freshwater shrimp in your bathtub and bugs in the garden.
I like that one because I do like shrimp. I'm not big on bugs, but like, yeah, I could get behind shrimp a little bit quicker than bugs. Yeah, they both probably smell pretty bad, but
I feel like you've thought about it.
I haven't, but I mean, like, I've been in some dark places before. You never know where you got to turn to find some money.
Here we go. This is the guy.
There you go.
I think I've seen a few of them. This is
Those look like fucking prawns or lobsters, to be honest. I don't know. I need like a banana to scale on this picture because like those look fucking huge. Oh, they are. Yeah, look at that.
Ornamental shrimp.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's not a bad idea. I don't know.
So we've moved on.
There's more money there than crypto right now. So
moved on from NFTs to meme coins to just Bitcoin to Roth IRAs, and now we're shrimp farmers for the bear because we're not even bullish.
Yeah, I mean, like that's kind of something AI can't take the job of too. Farming. You know, I think I promote people to go back to trade school, learn how to become an electrician and plumber. You know, and then you take that money.
But you've not seen these robots. You seen where he's slightly annoying to this, but Andrew Kang has made a strong pivot into just talking about robots.
Yeah. Robots.
Yeah, go to Andrew Kang. No,
yeah,
robots.
Robot. Oh.
Yeah. Go on to Andrew Kang's page in turn.
Interesting.
Rook Kang is.
Yeah,
here we go.
Been on the show? No, that's right. He denied us because he didn't want to speak.
Yeah.
On the show. Conceptualize. I mean,
fairly annoying to see this from
I like robots.
But this is kind of wild, right? Can you really think that this guy can just come in and do your plumbing? Probably pretty good.
Well, I think at least plumbers have a couple of years left before this guy can do it. Whereas, like, you know, most jobs like lawyers and accountants and all sorts of shit, they're cooked already. Creatives.
Yeah.
Now you gotta. I mean, I don't know. So at least a plumber, you have a little bit of a runway to try to make some money to invest in meme coins and try to get rich. But other people are cooked.
You have two choices: go back to trade school or start your own casino. Yeah.
That's pretty much what it came down to until the quantum computers come and are able to bust through our SHA-256 hash for provably fair, and then we're fucked too. So we're on like a ticking time bomb here as well.
Don't worry, guys. We'll fix that.
Yeah.
The quantum computers are coming for us.
Yeah. You know.
Here we go. Sisyphus, love it. Actually, crypto people are ideal factory workers used to working long hours, young, predominantly male, uneducated. See you at the assembly line.
I have to agree with that, but I feel like many are probably out of shape. But maybe with like a couple months of working out, they can do it. I don't know. Are crypto traders mentally tough enough for that factory job?
Yeah, actually. Farmers. You want farmers doing it. That's stuff, right? People who just
crypto farmers. They could be like the lineman, the head guy, something like that.
Yeah.
But well, this combo's devolved into something special.
Well, we're trying to do stuff during the bear. Should we do some stuff in
We are trying to do stuff during the bear. What?
Should we do some? So actually, we'll give you another 3 minutes, everyone. So sign up with the Rekt Radio is the affiliate code. We have pinned it to the Rekt Radio Twitter. Just click on that and then create an account, and you'll be golden. We are going to use rafflebot.xyz for this again. Ooh. I think it's been set up. This is going to be our new format, maybe for doing it for the medium term. So we're going to give out a code very shortly. It's already been given out. Use code GAMBA, rafflebot.xyz, and use code GAMBA. You have to link your Yeet username. So create a Yeet account and link your Yeet username. I don't know if we can share the rafflebot screen, or maybe we can't actually, but you'll go there. There'll be a little box where you connect your Twitter account and you just write your Yeet username, and then we will be able to pick anyone who is under our affiliate code to potentially be a winner.
There is a hole in this process. I don't know if I need to bring it up now on the show, but what are we going to do for people who have signed up already for the site, like our early adopters who want to sign up under our code and participate in this?
Well, to be fair, we sent this out on the day of launch, KBM.
Did we?
Okay. This has been sent out since the day of launch. I was
all right. There's no hole in it. The info is out there.
Yeah, there is a bit of a competing thing here. So So we need to, but we'll give you another 2 minutes, and then we'll play. So how do you want to do this? So we're going to give out $5,000. It's $5,000 of playable money here. So
I mean,
how they've been doing it for fun.
How many people are even listening?
I know it's going to be wild. It's like there's a very high chance
to win a lot of money. 5K between 83 people. Holy shit, we're washed. But that's actually the non-video version. So sorry, it might be more.
No, I think we got about 2,000 watching us live. I think right now.
Okay. Well, whatever. Either way,
we may be moving this to a new platform pretty soon. By the way, guys. So watch out for that. But so there's just one place for everyone to be on. But yeah, we will. We'll bring some people up who win as well. All right. We've got people now.
I don't know. I would do 510 times if we start right now. We can do it.
Yeah, 510 times. So we want to bring up 10 different people.
One run or each person.
I think
we bring 2
runs. So bring up 5 people. What's that?
Sure.
Bring up 5 people, 2 runs each. Okay.
2 runs each for 500.
Actually, no, maybe that's too many people. Like 5. I mean, it can take a long time, right? With 5 people.
I have no idea. Maybe.
Yeah, we're going to stream it on Abstract too. Yeah, that's going to happen too. I don't know if we're even doing it right now. Are we doing that right now?
What should we do? Chat 3 or 5 or something. What do we think? Anyone have an idea?
I think 5 is good. All right, we will pick, but make sure you go sign up. We'll do another 1 minute till 47 past.
We could do it. I mean, whatever.
I think coin race will be the easiest way to do it because then it's just one run. Lamb chop can take a while, but we'll do 500. We'll do.
The good news for you is coin race is not on the site currently.
I know. So that's from next week. Well, 2 winners, 2,500 each. That's another way of doing it. You know.
Let's run 5 for the inaugural, unless they're really slow to come up. I don't know.
So maybe we'll do one. They can be a little bit slow, yeah. So we'll decide how long it takes. Okay, let's pick some winners now. Then, if you didn't win this week, don't worry. We're going to be doing this pretty much every week. So, yeah, I know we are a little bit spotty at the moment, but this show is going to be bigger and better than ever. Yeah. So click. Let's see who's going to win. Random draw. Okay. See ya.
Why don't we sound? Is there usually sound?
There's usually sound. There is usually sound.
Oh, no.
We'll work out how to do that in the back. See ya, mother. And then, should we choose another one?
See ya, Muda. See ya, Mada.
Ooh, baby. I'll see ya, mother again.
So there's like 7 people on that. Am I crazy? How many people are on this list?
I don't know. Actually, don't know.
Can you see that? 21.
No, there's more. There's way more.
I mean, is there though?
Is that right?
We might need
a win. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah.
Let's get 3 up here. Let's do 3 up here. Let's do 3 up here. It'll be too many with 5. I'm telling you, we'll be up here for half an hour.
Yeah.
Arizona bread.
Arizona bread. Okay, so we've got 3 up here. Let's say the first one we'll play with $2 grand and 1,000, 1,500. Yeah, the last one we'll play with 2. Arizona Fred. Okay, so come up, Sia Mudda, Diego Armando, AD, and Arizona Fred. If people are not up on stage, we'll just have to give the prize to the other 2. Are they coming up on the... They need to come up on spaces. Oh, we didn't say that? Oh, fair enough. That's how we do it for all the other shows. But yeah, they need to come up on spaces. Oh, Diego, he's on stream. Diego's on stream. Can you come up on spaces, Diego, or no? Oh.
Arizona Fred's here?
Arizona Fred is here. Great. Diego, make sure you get on X. We'll get you up on stream. And Sia Mudder. If Sia Mudder doesn't come, we'll do 2,500 guys.
Make sure you jump on X. We'll get you up on stream.
Ooh. Oh, Diego says he's asking to come up.
I'm asking to come up too, and it's not working. I don't know.
Can we hear them if they come up? I think we can, right?
I thought so. This is
I'm muted right now. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Perfect. So we will be able to hear you up on screen. Maybe we'll just play with 2 then. It doesn't feel like Sia Mudder made it, unfortunately. So, what game should we play first? I think, should we do... Oh, Sia Mudder's here as well. Oh, wow, they've all made it. Okay.
No?
They're all ready to go. So, what should we play first? Should we play Lamb Chop?
Yes.
Okay, let's play Lamb
Chop. Can we hear
Chop.
them? Can you get them back on the voice? Where were they?
Okay, we'll play with let's play with who's the first one? We'll play with Sia Mudder first if he's here. Sia Mudder here? Oh, maybe not. Oh, are they? What about Diego Armando? Are you there?
What's going on here, fellas?
I don't see anybody else on here but myself.
Who is speaking?
They're in spaces.
So this is Arizona.
Yeah, I only see Arizona Fred too.
Let's play Arizona Fred then right now.
Okay. Diego says he's on stream right now. What is going on?
He's on stream, so maybe we can still play with him, but he can just say when we'll go. So let's get Lamb Chop up, and let's play with Arizona Fred. Let's see how this goes. The Pouch King. Who the fuck's the Pouch King? Intern, are you okay to share? Okay, here we go.
Can we go? Is it possible to full screen this?
I think so, yeah.
Well, that is there. Bottom right, scroll down. Where the fuck is it? Okay. Maybe I'm mistaken. That's weird.
All right, let's do. So should we just show you how to play the game first? So let's just do it with $1. So you basically have to tell us when to stop. You have to tell us when to stop. Is that sound?
All right, cool. Hold on. Let's see here.
Can you put it down on bottom left?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you put this? Yeah. Let's see if that works.
I can't hear it. Can't hear it.
I can hear it on my end.
Oh, they can hear it on the spaces. You can hear it on the spaces. But you can hear it.
Turn it down. All right. Okay. Anyway, let's begin. So anyway, yeah, you jump. Yeah, I don't know. Do you want to go over it? Do you want me to go over it?
Let's just cash out. Let's just cash out here. I think you get it. Like you have to tell us when to stop, but we'll play.
Yeah, I'm familiar with it. I'm familiar.
Okay, cool. We've got a DJ on hands. Let's cash out this. And let's play with 500. Oh, you would have won $2. Let's play with 500 then to start, right?
500. Let's rock. Arizona Fred, first round. He gets 2 rounds, right?
Yeah. No, gets 3 rounds. 3 rounds.
Okay. Just fire. Fred, tell us.
All right. So let's see. So I'm gonna do a little risky the first time. So let's go ahead and jump it twice.
Jump it twice.
Okay. Hit it twice.
Oh my god.
It's rigged. It's rigged.
It's rigged, guys. It's rigged. Sorry about it. Okay, so you got. And by the way, with the final 500, you can bank it as well. Like we can say you can bank it if you just want to work with 500. All right. So.
All right. Cool. Let's go ahead and hit it twice again on this other one. I get 3, right? I get 3.
You get 3, but the third one is if you want it to, right?
Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead and hit it twice on the second one. All right.
Yeah. Oh. To answer your question, the kick is RNG as well.
Okay.
I got a kick. All right. Let's try it one more time.
One more time.
All right. One more time. We got a long way to the barn, fella.
So you're on 650 right now. Do you want to keep that? Or you want to go 750?
Let's hit the 750.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Let's see.
oh.
Okay, you got 750.
What's
Do you
the
want
max
850?
here? Scroll to the right. Scroll to the
It's
right.
gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild. Here.
I'm gonna have to bank it, man. I'm gonna have to
You're
cash
gonna bank
out.
it? All right, 750. That's 7. Okay, good game. Good game. Let's see what.
This is gonna go a
we
long
would've died
way
next
on
one.
my
Oh.
rewards up.
One.
So
You see
So
that,
it
Fred?
tells us that if you'd had one more go, you would have lost. So good
all right,
job.
see? Yeah. All right.
Final round. Do you want to bank it, or do you want to go for it? You've already got, I think, 750 in the bank. So do you want to bank another 500, or do you want to go for it?
Let's make another 500. Just take it.
All right.
Wow, Fred,
That's fair.
conservative.
That's fair.
It is a bear market. All right, next person.
You got 2 other people behind me, so good luck.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Thanks, Fred. Great win.
Okay, so who's next?
DM the Rekt Radio account, your address and whatnot.
My internet is gone.
Say Mudo and Diego Armando AD. Diego is here.
Hey,
He keeps raising.
can you hear me?
Yeah, Diego, let's fucking go, buddy. All right, you're up. Choose your poison here. Start to run.
All right.
Okay.
So
Hold on.
you
let
tell
me
us
go.
when. So let's do the first one. So to 536, and let's see where we go from there. All right. Now, do you want to bank it? You want to go for 559?
559. Go.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, you're watching, Diego, right? You can just tell us to go or not.
I'm not watching because I'm joining the exhibit. The
Oh, okay. So
and not the stream.
665.
So you
665.
can either do. Yeah.
Do I have another chance? A second
Hey, you
chance?
have 2 more tries, man. You got a lot.
Yeah, you got 2 more.
Okay, go.
Go. Okay, you won 650. Do you want 750 or you want to keep the 650?
Shit. Come on, let's go. Do it.
Go, click
Go.
it.
750.
You're good.
750.
You want 850?
No. Let's bank it.
Bank
That's-
this.
bank
Okay. All right, next run. How much? Oh, you would have got
That's
the
okay.
1300.
You would have won 1300, but I think you would have won 200, right? But that's fine. I think that's still solid bank. Solid bank, that one.
No, you won 750. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so
750. It's great.
this is your third round, right? Third round?
No, second.
Second, right. So let's go for it. First run, 536. All right. Do you want to bank 536 or do you want to go for 560?
Do I have something secured?
Yeah, you got 530. You got 530 now secured.
So I
Well,
can do another jump.
Yeah,
You can jump.
jump.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, you won. So you can either bank 590 or you can go for 670.
Let's
We need
try
the music.
670.
Click it.
All right, 670. Oh, you got it. 670 or 750 now?
No. Let's bank.
Bank. Okay. We've got conservative players. It's a
Too
fair
much
market.
We need a
It's a
DJ
fair
out here.
market. Oh, you've been up a decent amount here, man. That was another grand. So now it's the final spin. Do you want to bank this spin at 500 straight away, or do you want to go for it? You've
How
already
much is the
got
total that I
you've already
won so
got
far?
1,200 in the bank. So roughly. I think
No.
one-
Let's bank it. Let's bank it.
So you
wanna
just want
bank?
1800. This guy knows what he wants. 1800.
Done. This guy won
All right.
1,800. We'll get you number
Exactly.
2. So
Buddy
yeah,
just
we'll work
won
out
2
the back
grand.
end. Yeah, well done. All right, so
Oh,
final.
where's this
first-
last guy? If we can't get this last guy, let's get somebody else. Right?
Yeah, the chat's going wild. They want to be up here.
Yeah, there's 2K left. OSF left us. Oh fuck, what time is it?
We've got another call.
So
Oh,
I'm
shit.
ready.
What do you want to do?
So I think what we'll do is let's roll now that everyone, because maybe people didn't get time to come up, or put their thing into the code, right? Like, let's just roll over these prizes. So we'll do. Is it seven grand of prizes for next week. Should we do? Let's just roll them over because we haven't got much time. Too late. So we'll do 7 grand of prizes next week. You know how we're gonna play it.
The damn Muda guy's here, by the way. The guy we picked. He's requesting.
Yeah, but we gotta roll, don't we? We got another call now.
We do have to go.
Hello.
He's here. Fucking run it.
Run it.
Let's
tell
go.
Tell the guy on the call. It's Adam or whatever. Just tell him 15 minutes.
Okay, I'm calling the first round. Let's go to 660.
Go for
660. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Keep clicking until you get there. Now what? Bank it or click?
Banker.
Go bank it.
Well done.
Bank it. This guy's quick. He's efficient. Nice bank.
Yeah.
Nice bank.
Okay.
Next round.
And the next one go to 748, and I will think.
Okay. This guy knows how to play. Shredded. All right, final round.
Okay, do you want to bank the 500? Do you want to play?
Bank it. I play safe. I'm a pussy.
All
sorry.
Right. Okay, 1200. Mando, I think we're getting rid of that banking from the jump, but that guy, we should get rid of it. I want to see gameplay.
Okay, all right. Next week, no banking.
Next week, you got to at least take one jump. What is this? Take one jump.
All right, so we gave away, I think roughly there about maybe 4.5. We'll work out.
Yeah, we have $500 for Roto next week. Let's hop to that call. Thanks, everyone.
All right, this is our first. Make sure you go do Rekt Radio. Sign up with the under Rekt Radio. We're going to do this every week. I don't think it's going to show with bigger prizes, at least on a weekly basis.